Hello everyone and welcome to my session on facilitation skills training. Today in this particular session I'm going to talk on the three most important things which are related to the facilitation skills. These are number one, what is facilitation? Number two, what are the facilitation skills? And number three, why are the facilitators important? So I would like to start the session with a very famous quote by the Carl Rogers. He said that a person cannot teach another person directly. A person can only facilitate another's learning. So what is facilitation? Many people see facilitation as a functional task, but it is not. Being a skilled facilitator requires more than mastering different techniques, planning a session, and guiding people towards an outcome. So the word facilitate comes from the Latin that is facilis, which means easy. Facilitation is then the act of making something easier. However, it is about easing the process, not the experience. Without pain, there is no gain. So a facilitator helps people overcome personal and cultural obstacles, both real and the perceived. Facilitating is about simplifying, to turn the complicated things into easy, to solve things or the chunks so that people can acknowledge, confront, and resolve what is getting in the way. Facilitating is about creating a better experience for the people where everyone becomes a better version of themselves. So facilitation is the act of engaging the participants in creating, discovering, and applying learning insights, in contrast to presentation, which is typically characterized by a sage on the stage delivering content to an audience. Facilitation usually involves a guide on the side who asks the questions, moderates the discussions, introduces the activities, and helps the participants to learn. The Institute of Cultural Affairs UK describes the role of a facilitator as using set of skills in working with a group, enabling and supporting them to achieve their objectives in a way that involves and respect all contributions, build ownerships, and releases the potential of the group and its members. So facilitation is the most important role emerging in the modern workplace. Facilitation skills enable you to help groups of people work together effectively and productively. Using facilitation skills such as flexibility and time management allows you to make progress and achieve success in your daily life. Practicing these skills can help you in your job search as well as in the workplace once you have been hired for a job. So, what are facilitation skills? Facilitation skills are the abilities you choose to provide opportunities and resources to a group of people that enable them to make progress and succeed. Some examples include being prepared, setting guidelines, being flexible, active listening, and managing time. So, facilitation skills are less about being outspoken leader and more about allowing everyone else to contribute. As a facilitator, you bring the team together and create a common goal that everyone can be a part of. You then move the conversation towards the common goal and provide whatever needed for your team to successfully reach it. A facilitator's main objective is to lead their team without getting directly involved by encouraging the participation and creativity. Now, the third important point of this session is, why are the facilitators important? So facilitators are important because they enable the groups and teams to make progress productively. A facilitator is less of a manager and more of a process helper and influencer of success. Here are three main reasons why facilitators are important. Number one, helping in resolving the conflicts. So a facilitator is an unbiased person who listens to both sides of an argument. The facilitator will solve the problems by reaching common grounds between two or more people. Number two is making the progress. So a facilitator does what is necessary within a group to make the progress. Time efficiency is vital to the facilitator in making the progress in the case of deadlines. Number three is inspiring the success. So a facilitator is someone who can inspire a team or people to solve their problems and succeed in their goals. The facilitator remains neutral about how the group achieves its end goal. As long as successful outcome is reached, the facilitator has done their job. So that's all about this particular session. In my further session, I'm going to discuss with you further topics related to the facilitation skills training. Till then, thank you and goodbye. Bye bye.